Want to bake the perfect cake every time? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, these 5 game-changing tips will have your cake turning out delicious, fluffy, and picture-perfect. Top 5 baking tips to make the perfect cake every time. Tip number 1, always sift your dry ingredients. Sifting helps remove any lumps and ensures your cake batter is smooth and airy. It's a simple step, but it makes a huge difference. Tip number 2, room temperature ingredients are key. Before you begin, take your butter, eggs, and milk out of the fridge. They mix better, helping your batter rise and bake evenly. Trust me, it's a game changer. Tip number 3, don't overmix the batter. Mixing too much will make your cake dense. Stir just until everything is combined. It'll give you that light, airy texture we all love. Tip number 4, preheat your oven. This one's a no-brainer, but so many people forget it. Make sure your oven is at the right temperature before popping your cake in. A hot oven ensures your cake rises properly. Tip number 5, let it cool before frosting. Patience is key here. Allow your cake to cool completely before adding frosting. It prevents that dreaded melted mess and gives you smooth, flawless icing. And there you have it. Follow these 5 simple tips, and your cakes will always come out perfect. Don't forget to like and share with your fellow bakers, and comment below with your favorite cake flavor. Thanks for watching. Now go bake something amazing. Subscribe now for more baking tips and tricks.